guarantee we're gonna be 40 years old and we're gonna be doing the same exact shit that we're doing today.
Yeah, I think when you're 9 years old and you're 21, you just won't ever grow up. Oh my god! We have arrived. Colin's taking a piss, right, Colin? Yeah.
Bridge jump right here, man. Right here.
Dude, I do remember the bridge. Yeah, that bridge that we floated down.
Dude, that was so fun.
We floated down like 2 miles and we were like, dude, there's gotta be sick cliffs on here. We literally found a cliff that you could reach from like the bottom of the water, and we're like, we jumped off, we're like, all right, time to go back. That's prickly. All right, we have to go down this very steep hill. Colin's choosing that way. Thinking I'm gonna go this way, but it's pretty steep. Gotta get all the way down there. Well, we made it down it most of the way. We still got these super slippery rocks here. You see the waterfall just over there. Be there?
I'm just saying, I think when we're 40, even though we have like these memories, we're still gonna be fucking sending you.
Dude, I'm absolutely positive of it. We got both angles. Coming in live. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so after Colin saying he's being a man and not putting on his wetsuit, went about knee deep and went, yeah, I think I need my wetsuit. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm back home now. I just dropped Colin off and we're gonna take a nap, and we're thinking of trying to hit a party tonight. We don't record anything else. It was a fun day. We went to Skyzone. Goodbye. I gotta pee. I'm peeing. Nice.
Oh yeah.